Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to configure Jira and Microsoft Teams to create separate notification channels for different clients or hospitals. Let's dive right in. Here, I've set up two channels in Microsoft Teams, one for Hospital 1 and another for Hospital 2. This setup keeps notifications organized for each client. In Jira, I created a custom field called Hospital with values for each client. This custom field will determine which Teams channel gets the notification based on the client selected. For notifications, I created rules for each hospital. When an issue is created, commented, or transitioned, a notification will be sent to the corresponding Teams channel, Hospital 1 or Hospital 2, based on the custom field value. Let's test it out. I'll create a new issue in Jira for Hospital 2. As soon as it's created, check it out. Our notification pops up in the Hospital 2 channel, keeping communication smooth and organized. This works for updates too. Add a comment, change the status, or escalate the issue, and each action appears instantly in the Teams channel. You can also customize which details appear in Teams. Choose fields like summary, issue type, or hospital, so Teams notifications show exactly what you need. Now let's set up the webhook URL to connect Microsoft Teams with Jira. In Teams, go to your channel's connectors, find incoming webhook, and configure it. Name it, set an icon, and copy the URL. It's that easy. Finally, let's add a new client, Hospital 3. I'll create a rule, set up the webhook URL, and create a new issue. Bam! The notification shows up in the Hospital 3 channel, keeping everything on track. And that's how you create client-specific notifications in Jira and Microsoft Teams. If this helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more productivity tips. Thanks for watching.